Most people have only touched frozen metal.
Birds swim in gas.
The sinking of the Titanic must have been one of the greatest offerings to Poseidon ever.
Life is never the same after finding out that bullseye is not the highest score in darts.
The fact that a dog will scratch an itch by forcefully kicking itself in the face with a foot full of claws is pretty wild.
When you ask someone about their favorite music genre, almost no one says disco.
Probably someone at NASA finds controlling robots on Mars extremely boring and wishes to leave his job ASAP.
Wordle has probably helped improve the general public's vocabulary more than any college entrance exam study book.
Feeling happy isn't sustainable, being content is.
Counting from 1 to 10 requires 11 syllables.
The giant squid as we know of might actually just be baby squids, and there's a bigger squid waiting to be seen.
Only humans drink cold milk.
Most drivers are more concerned with getting caught speeding rather than their own safety.
The scariest bears are skinny ones.
People with courage fight for a world where courage isn't required, but people without courage make a world where courage is required.
Everyone has tried running in rain to try and avoid getting wet, at least once.
People are often grossed out by other people's bodily fluids, but tears are also a bodily fluid that most people won't hesitate to touch.
Dipping food in water is gross, but drinking water while there is food in your mouth is fine.
A private investigator is a stalker that gets paid.
Your favorite brands are scouring the internet every moment of the day for your every mention of them on social media.
I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Lorelei Stewart. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more shower thoughts. Bye for now.
This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.